So mountains can be classified into two types of mountain: tectonic mountain and erosional or relic mountain. So mountain building is generally tectonic process. Without tectonic process, it cannot be formed. Okay, it is impossible that mountain has been formed without the movement of the tectonic plates. Okay, but once it has been formed, after some time, because of the erosion, a little bit part of the mountain remains. We call it as a relict mountain or erosional mountain. For example, Vindhyas are the oldest mountains in the India. Okay, if you see, Vindhyas are mentioned in the Puranas. Okay, Vindhyas are mentioned in the Vedas. Okay, you will find the stories that Agastya went to the Vindhyachala mountains and it told that Vindhya, you don't rise now, keep bent yourself until and unless I come back. And Agastya Muni did not come back, so Vindhya kept itself bent. So symbolically it tells that Vindhya was rising, rising and rising, then it stopped rising. Okay, so at one point of time it was a fold mountain. Okay, so you know that the sign of youngness is that we are rising, we are growing up. So Himalayas are now rising. Similarly, at few lakh years before, Vindhyas were rising. Okay, so that is mentioned. We find it our Vedic text and all these things. Okay, now Vindhyas have stopped rising. Now they are just eroding, and they are the relict mountain now. Getting it? Okay. So on the basis of origin, different mountains are there. Okay. So you have a tectonic mountain. Tectonic mountains are of actually three types, not two types. Here you have written, I have written three. Third, you have over here volcanic. Okay. So mountains, tectonic mountains, fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. Fold mountain can be young fold mountain, old fold mountain. For example, Vindhya is old fold mountain, Himalaya is young fold mountain. Okay. So these are the different types of mountain. Let us understand first about fold mountain. Okay. So fold mountains कैसे बनते हैं? How these fold mountains are formed? Okay. So fold mountains particular place पे बनते हैं जिसे बोलते हैं geosynclines. Okay. What are the geosynclines? Geo means what? Earth. Syncline means what? Depression. So अर्थ के सरफेस पे कहीं पे भी बड़ा डिप्रेशन हो जाता है तो हम उसे बोलते हैं जियोसिंक्लाइंस. ओके, एंड these geosynclines are called as a cradles of fold mountain. Okay, so fold mountains are born out of geosynclines. Okay, so how can you define the geosynclines? They are the long, narrow and shallow depressions of water. This is a one way to define the geosyncline. Another is a huge, long, narrow depression on the surface of the earth. That also we can call it as a geosyncline. Okay, so let us understand this geosyncline and how this mountain has been formed out of geosyncline. Okay, now this is a geosyncline over here. Okay, this is one plate, this is plate A, this is plate B. Now let us say these two plates have come closer to each other. They are coming close to each other. So in between there will be small depression or gap between the two plates. It is called as a geosyncline. अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा? प्लेट ए से भी कुछ रिवर्स आएगी, वो अपना सारा डिपोजिशन इस डिप्रेशन में डिपॉजिट करेगी. प्लेट बी से भी कुछ रिवर्स आएगी, वो सारा अपना सेडिमेंट का डिपोजिशन होगा, वो इस जियोसिंक्लाइन में डिपॉजिट करेगी. तो यहाँ पे डिपोजिशन बहुत सारा होके ये जियोसिंक्लाइन धीरे धीरे फिल करना शुरू हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे किस टाइप का रॉक बनेगा जियोसिंक्लाइन के बीच में? सेडिमेंट्री टाइप ऑफ रॉक. यहां पे सेडिमेंट्री रॉक बनेगा. ये लेयर्स ऑफ सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स विल फॉर्म क्योंकि दोनों साइड से रिवर जो है अपना डिपोजिशन बीच में डाल रही है. सो धीरे धीरे यहाँ पे सेडिमेंट्स भी अक्यूमुलेट हो रहे हैं. दूसरा, ये दो प्लेट्स जो है वो एक दूसरे के करीब आ रही है धीरे धीरे. तो एक समय ऐसा होगा कि ये प्लेट्स एक दूसरे से इतने ज्यादा करीब आ जाएंगे, इतने ज्यादा फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे कि जो बीच में जो सेडिमेंट था वो खुद फोल्ड हो जाएगा. Getting it? So now you can see these sediments over here, they have started folding, and these folded sediments are called as a fold mountain. Getting it? So since These plate will keep on coming closer to each other. This fold mountain will keep on rising. Yes, and it will keep on squeezing that sediments and fold mountain will keep on rising. So this is how Himalayas are rising. And Vindhyas में ये process बंद हो गई है. So Vindhyas are old mountains, Himalayas are young mountains. Plates are like compressing. Yes, from below. So the compression of the plates actually helps. Yes. So fold mountain is a result of a compressive force. Getting it? Okay. So these are the geosynclines. So ancient time में E Hawk करके geographers थे. He has identified 4 ancient geosyncline. Okay. एक तो उराल माउंटेन है रशिया में वहां पे. Okay. दूसरा टेथिस है जहां पे अभी हिमालय बना है. Okay. Then you have a circumpecific. यहाँ पे भी अभी एंशियंट धीरे धीरे चल रहा है फोल्डिंग सेडिमेंटेशन चल रहा है वहां पे. गेटिंग इट? ओके. सो रॉकीज आर देयर, उराल्स आर देयर, टेथिस इज देयर. ओके. तो हिमालय तो अभी बना है, उराल भी अभी बने, रॉकीज भी बने हैं. ओके. सर्कम पैसिफिक में अभी कुछ बनना बाकी है, सो आगे जाके बनेगा. गेटिंग इट? ओके. सो दीज आर द फोल्ड माउंटेन्स. सो दे आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ कंप्रेसिव फोर्स. ओके. सो फोल्ड माउंटेन्स कैन बी फॉर्म्ड between the continent boundary, most obvious thing. Sometimes exceptionally they can form between oceanic continental boundary. Exceptional. Okay. Generally oceanic continental boundary, lava mountains will form. Okay. On the margins of another continent, we'll have a lava mountains. Getting it? So ocean continent boundary is also responsible for formation of the fold mountain. Getting it? Okay. So what are the characteristics of the fold mountain? Yes, what are the characteristics? एक तो दोनों जियोसिंक्लाइन से बने हुए हैं. ओके. जियोसिंक्लाइन से बने हैं, दे आर कंटिन्यूसली ग्रोइंग. when both are continuously growing. Okay. Since जियोसिंक्लाइन का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या था? लॉन्ग था, नैरो था जियोसिंक्लाइन. ओके. तो फोल्ड माउंटेन भी लॉन्ग और नैरो हो गए. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये तो जियोसिंक्लाइन था ऐसे, ये जियोसिंक्लाइन था, वहां से ही फोल्ड माउंटेन बना है. ये फोल्ड माउंटेन वहां से ही बना है. तो ये लॉन्ग हो गए और नैरो भी हो गए. गेटिंग इट? दूसरा, दो प्लेट्स एक दूसरे को टकरा रही है, तो दोनों नॉट नेसेसरी सेम स्पीड से एक दूसरे से टकराए. एक प्लेट जो है फास्टर स्पीड से जा रही है, दूसरी प्लेट स्लोअर जा रही है. तो हो सकता है एक प्लेट जो है वो जियोसिंक्लाइन को जो है सेडिमेंट्स को ज्यादा जोर से धक्का मारे. सो जहां से प्लेट को ज्यादा जोर से पुश मिलेगा वो साइड कॉनकेव बन जाएगी और दूसरी साइड कॉन्वेक्स बन जाएगी. सो जनरली फोल्ड माउंटेन वन साइड विल बी कॉनकेव, अनदर साइड विल बी कॉन्वेक्स. दिखेगा हमें, क्यों नहीं? सैटेलाइट से दिखेगा. गेटिंग इट? ओके. सो they are the youngest mountain on the surface of the earth. Then they are the highest and most extensive, greater length and smaller width, one side concave, another side convex. Then almost found on the all bigger continents. Okay, formed due to folding of sedimentary rock, and they are called as a true mountains. They are called as a true mountains because they are formed through the process of mountain building. Through millions of years they have formed. They haven't formed suddenly. So they are called as a true mountains. Getting it? Okay. So they are called as a fold mountain. So Indian fold mountain, सबसे बड़ा mountain कौन सा है हमारा? Himalayas. Okay. So Himalayas are the biggest fold mountains. Okay. So Himalaya is the biggest fold mountain that we have over here. सो अरावलीज है, विंध्यास है, ओके, ये भी फोल्ड माउंटेन थे, बट अभी वो फोल्ड माउंटेन नहीं रहे, ओके। बीच में उनका फॉल्टिंग हो गया, उनका इरोजन भी बहुत ज्यादा हो गया और इनका ग्रोथ बंद हो गया है, सो वी डोंट कॉल देम कंप्लीट फोल्ड माउंटेन्स, okay, they can be classified into various types, okay. So these are the different types of mountains on the surface of the earth, okay. So fold mountains are very important to understand the geological history of the world. Fold mountains से आपको समझ में आता है कि वर्ल्ड में एग्जैक्टली क्या हुआ few crores years back, what happened few lakhs years back. Getting it? Okay. So this is mountain called as a fold mountain. Second type of mountain is called as a block mountain. Block mountain is not called as a true mountain. Why it is not called as a true mountain? Because it is not forming through the process of mountain building. Thank you, sir. So this block mountain is not called as a true mountain. Why it is not called as a true mountain? Because it is not forming through the process of mountain building. How it is forming? It is forming because of the faulting. So यहाँ पे आप देखो, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ओके, ये एक पूरा कॉन्टिनेंट था, सडनली टेक्टोनिक एडजस्टमेंट हो गया थोड़ा सा, जैसे टेक्टोनिक एडजस्टमेंट हो गया, यहां पे थोड़ा सा फॉल्टिंग हो गया प्लेट पे, और प्लेट का थोड़ा सा जो पार्ट था वो नीचे चला गया. Now what has happened because of that? Because of that, if you stand over here, for example here you are standing, okay, so it will look like a valley and you are standing on the mountain or plateau, let us say mountain. Getting it? Okay. अगर इसका उल्टा हो गया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये जो पार्ट जो नीचे गया है, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट इट कम्स अपवर्ड और इट गेट्स पुश्ड अपवर्ड. अभी आप यहां पे रुकोगे, सो क्या होगा, यू विल सी दैट दिस इज अ वैली. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ फॉल्ट माउंटेन. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ हॉर्स्ट. So block mountain is also called as a horst, and because of the faulting, the valley which has been formed is called as a graben. So this can form within a year. This mountain can form within a year or two. It does not require too much of time. Like a fold mountain which has formed few million years, it can form very immediately. If the forces are very strong, they can form very immediately. So horst and graben is an example. For example, the Great Rift Valley is an example of graben, and Western Ghat is an example of horst. So Western Ghat is a fault mountain. It is a horst. Getting it? Okay. So these are the different valleys and mountains.